Rebel Salute 2018, it's Friday, oh, that's Friday now, Saturday morning. How did you enjoy your performance? How did you like the vibe from the crowd?
The performance was awesome.
Yeah.
Love the energy of the people and the fans I'm out there. I mean, this is Rebel Salute. This is one of those shows.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I was just very enthusiastic and so happy to be on that stage tonight to connect with my fans and the people I'm out there who didn't know Daville and who know Daville from a long time.
Yeah.
It's overdue, my presentation here in Jamaica. You get me? So when Tony Rebel gave me that card and said, yo, singer, you ready for the Rebel Salute? How could I say no?
Yeah.
I have to be ready for something like that, man.
Yeah, true.
You know, we always wanted to present ourselves back in Jamaica on a nice platform, and this was the perfect one, you know?
All right, so I'm going to say this like I've been a fan, and I like the work where you put out, and from, boy, don't even want to get into Suzuki days where you just like, boy, number one, you don't know nothing else on that chart more than number one, and several other charts. What is the feeling to just know that you have songs that you put out at a certain time, but up till now, in 2018, the songs are still resonating with the Jamaican people, and do you feel any pressure to try to put out new music that will connect for generations to come?
Well, it's a wonderful feeling to know that my music is transcendent. You know, it has transcend, you know, from generation to generation, and I think it's going to continue doing that because we do this in a special way with not just a love for it, but also we try to do it in a way that it stands the test of time.
True, yeah.
You get what I'm saying? And I love what is going on with it right now. In terms of being pressured, I mean, music, if I do music with pressure, I can never make a hit song like that.
Oh, well, yeah.
When I was doing music with pressure was before all of those songs came. And I would not get a hit song. The moment I told myself I'm going to be real to myself and real to my music and do it how I want to do it was when the hit music started to come. So I've learned my lesson from that. So my answer to that is no pressure at all, man. Yeah. God is my leader. Yeah. And he gave me the talent. And he gave me the inspiration to do my music. And I know for a fact that when the time is right, he's going to give me what I need. You understand? Yeah.
All right, so where are you currently based now? And in terms of, because I'm sure that a lot of my followers on YouTube will be asking, where has Daville been? Like, could you update them if there are new music, new shows where you'll be at? Just give them that information right now.
She told me to give her my love that she's needing so long. And this is the love that she searched for. That's my brand new song called This Is the Love on the Cotton Swab Rhythm, produced by Deli Rankin. You see me, I say it's out right now. We're going to be doing the video for that real shortly. I have been here, and I'm not going away. I'm just busy at tour, and in between that, I'm a daddy, so I have 2 young sons now, and I'm a hands-on father. But the music, at the end of the day, is always my number one. Yeah, that's my number one. My sons now come before that.
Yes,
but
definitely.
You know that go already. When you're a father, nothing compares to the kids them. But music is my bread and butter. It's my first love, and it ain't going nowhere. So if you need to find me, just know so we're busy at tour. I do the show them same way. And apart from that, if you want to find me even more, you can link me on my Instagram, Daville Music. You can link me on my Twitter, Daville Music. And you can check me out on my Facebook, Daville Official. We're live.
So last question, who do you think is the sexiest Jamaican artist out there right now?
Daville. I mean, absolutely. I mean, obviously. Come on now.
Here, I'm going to give you, I know your management and setup, but I'd love to see a collaboration with probably like you and Curvy Diva. You know, you and a Shensia. Like, like, me just work just that.
Shensia, sure, go on good.
Yeah.
That would have been awesome.
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah, man. So, I mean, they say you put it out in the environment, you put it out in the universe, so you never know, it might be possible.
So here, people, Romish, link up Daville, make the collab work. It will be a good hit. I feel like said that people would love it.
They would.
So before I come on, if I say my little tagline, it is box cover.
It is a box cover.
Yeah, but I know your voice of the, little sultry, little type of thing there, but we dig out the deep, the depth, the base.
It is box cover. Box cover.
Yeah, box cover, yeah.
Box cover. I want this. Dirty Burn Show. Yes, it. I'm thinking